center 0, 0, the value HK is 0, 0. Now, center is HK. So what the difference? Uh, just put value H and K here. Okay, H here. So refer, okay, I recall back last lecture. Alright, center HK, this one center HK. Okay, one more thing, it's very important. Okay, my understanding actually below X is A, below Y is B. Okay, so check your denominator. Below X is A means distance from center from vertices is A. Okay, center to the vertices is A. Okay, below Y is B. B means distance from center to vertices. Ni B. This one is B, the value of Y. Okay, this one is B. Okay, right? And then one more thing, we need to know how to calculate C by using the formula. C squared equal to A squared minus B squared. I repeat, A squared. If A more than B, A squared minus B squared. If B more than A, mean B squared minus A squared. Okay. So, what is the value of C? C is distance from center to focus point. This is point of focus. Okay, so we have two focus. That is a foci, F1 and F2. Okay, this one is C. Same thing, this one is C. Okay, and one more thing is very important. Focus actually on the major axis. Dia berada dekat paksi major. And the length of major is depend. Okay, so uh, okay, major axis. Okay, for A more than B, major axis. For A more than B, A is under X, mean major axis parallel to X axis. Macam ni lah. Ini. Okay, this one is a major axis. Length of major axis 2A. So A here, this one also A. So A plus A, 2A lah. Length of major axis 2A. But for B more than A, means B is below Y, right? So B is below Y. So major axis parallel to the Y axis. Nampak? Ingat? Cara nak ingat. B is under Y, so major axis parallel to the Y axis. Okay, this is your major axis. Okay, so foci actually on the major axis. Alright, and the length of the major axis for the B more than A, of course lah, 2B. B, this one also B. So 2B. Alright, just ignore length of latest rectum. This one extra note. This one extra note. Okay, you can ignore. Okay, exclude in our syllabus. Okay, the next part, I give you example. Okay, for the ellipse. This one actually general form. Okay, one more thing. Sometimes your question you are given in general form. This one is general form. Bentuk umum sajalah, bentuk general. So how to get the standard equation? What you need to do, what you need to do is completing the square method. Completing the square is used to convert the general form to the standard. Okay, if standard to general, just expand. Just kembang sajalah. If you expand standard, you will get general form. Okay, from general to standard, you need to do completing the square method. Okay, I give you an example. Okay, this is the first example for the ellipse 4. Okay, x plus 3 cube plus 9. Okay, find the center, foci and vertices. Okay, usually for vertices you are given, only major vertices only, major only, and the length of each right sector. This one you can ignore. Okay, and sketch the graph. Okay, for me, the first step. Okay, because of you are given in. This one not really general. Actually, we can change to standard form. Just divide by 36, right? Because 36, okay, equal to 1. So the first step, I think I need to write. Okay. 4 x plus 3 squared plus 9 y minus 1 squared equal to 36. Okay, so uh, to make it as a standard equation, what we need to do, okay, make sure this one equal to 1. So you just divide by 36. Okay, you just divide by 36. So 4 divided by 36. Okay, so you can cancel out. You will get x plus 3 power 2 over 9. Okay, 4 over 36 is 1 over 9. And then plus y minus 1 squared over 9 over 36 divide 4. Okay, and 36 divided by 36 is 1. Okay, this is standard form. Okay, so from standard form, so we know the value of hk. This is your, how to calculate h? Okay, x plus 3 just equate to 0. So you get negative 3. How to get k? Y minus 1 you equate to 0. So you will get the value of k. Right? So x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to negative 3. This one is actually this one is value of h. Okay, y minus 1 uh, equate to 0. Okay, so you get y equal to 1. This one the value of k. So your center now, hk, that is negative 3, 1. Settle for center, hk. Okay, now look at the value under x and y. Which one bigger, A or B? So for this case, this one is A, this one is A squared, this one actually B squared. Okay, so A squared equal to 9 and B squared equal to 4. So for A, value of A is equal to plus minus 3 and B equal to plus minus 2. So which one bigger, A or B? Of course A. A is bigger. A is more than B. So your measure exists. Okay, where's your measure axis? Measure axis actually refer to A. A is under X. A is under X means measure axis parallel to the X axis. Parallel to the X axis. Meaning we have horizontal measure axis. Horizontal axis. Okay. So how to calculate C? So from formula, C squared equal to, which one bigger? A. So A squared minus B squared. So A is 9 minus 4, so we get 5. So C squared equal to 5. So we get C equal to plus minus square root 5. Okay, that's the value of C. Okay, so now to get the major vertices, okay, and also to get the foci. Okay, how to get the foci? Okay, I think to understand better, we sketch the graph. Okay, so the value of x is negative 3. So x equal to negative 3. So I draw x equal to negative 3. X equal to negative 3. And then I draw y equal to 1. Okay, y equal to 1. Okay, this is your center. Okay, your center negative 3, 1. Okay, center. So where your major exists? Eh? Major exists y equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Okay, why? Because your major exists, the value of A is bigger than B. A is under X, so parallel to X. Major is parallel to X. Major is parallel to X. Okay, so major exists is Y equal to 1. Okay, kalau I note here, major axis, y equal to 1. All right. So next, how to find vertices of major? Vertices of major. Okay, easier. Okay, the changing is the value of x. Yang berubah adalah nilai x kan? Nilai x. So the value of x we just plus a. So center is negative 3, you plus minus dengan a. A is 3 kan? 1. Okay. So now we calculate. So we get the first vertices is negative 2 minus 3 is negative 6, 1. And the second vertices is negative 3 plus 3 is 0, 0, 1. Okay. So I remarks here. Okay, this is your measure negative 6, sorry, 0, 1. 0, 1. And here negative 6, 1. This is your first vertices. This is your second vertices. So in your exam, just give measure vertices only. Okay, the next one, foci. Foci, of course lah, on the major axis also. This is your first foci. This is your second foci. It's up to you lah, this one first or second. Okay, so foci also the value of x, we just plus minus c. C is square root 5. Okay, meaning here, okay, the first foci is equal to negative 3. Jangan hafal no need to memorize, just understand. Okay, where your foci? Foci on the major axis. Okay, what the value we need to change, x or y? Of course lah, because major axis is parallel to x, so the value of x you need to change. Okay, so minus square root 5, 1, and the second foci is negative 3 plus square root 5, 1. Okay, so just marking here, negative 3 plus square root 5, no need to calculate. Okay, if you calculate, you will get in decimal point, no need lah. Oh, sorry, negative, not plus. Negative 3 minus square root 5, 1. Here is negative 3 plus square root 5, 1. Done. That's for foci. Okay, how about the other vertices? Okay, other vertices, just B is 2. So distance here is 2. Okay, so you just plus 2. So negative 3, 1 plus 2 is 3. So maybe I remarks here. So negative 3, 3. Okay, and here, there is a negative 3, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, you will get negative 1. Okay, that's your for minor axis. This one is a minor. This one is a major axis. Okay, so settle. Okay, center. Okay, this is your center. Wait, I want to think. Center, settle. We got the value of center. Major vertices, settle. Foci also settle. Okay, length of radius settle. That's one for extra notes only. Okay, now to sketch graph. Okay, just complete your graph. Okay, just draw. How to draw? Okay, first you draw the curve. Okay, just draw. Okay, make sure the shape is ellipse, not circle. Okay, that's shape of ellipse. Okay, the last step, just draw x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so this one is negative 1, 1 here, so 0 is here. So this one is your y-axis. Okay, pass through 0. Okay, and this one is your major, your y-axis. Okay, sorry, this one is x-axis. Okay, done. This one is 0, 0. Okay, nampak? How I draw? I draw ellipse first. Last step, I just put the x-axis and y-axis. Okay, done. Okay, this is your graph of ellipse. Okay. You want to draw dotted line? I think no need lah. Just draw straight line je. Tak perlulah buat dotted line. Okay. Next question. Before I proceed the next example. Jelas tak? Okay. The important you understand how to detect major axis. How to detect major axis? Check the biggest value. Where your biggest value? Your biggest value is under X. So major parallel to X. If your major axis under Y, the biggest value is under Y, major is parallel to Y axis. So your major is vertical. Now your major is horizontal. Horizontal because under X. Okay, I hope you understand. The value of A, this one the value of A, distance from center to the vertices. Value of C, okay, this one is value of C. Okay, center to focus. Value of C. Value of B, center to vertices of minor axis. Center to vertices of minor axis. Itu adalah B. B ni maksudnya you understand lah. B ni adalah nilai-nilai Y. A tu adalah value-value X yang berubah lah. Faham itu. Okay. Kita pergi ke the next example. Ada soalan? Tak ada.
Tak ada, sir.
Alright. Kalau tak ada soalan, we go to the next example. Determine the equation of an ellipse with center 1, 3. So you are given center here. Okay, you are given center here 1, 3. One of the focus at 1, 6. Dia bagi one focus. Okay, 1, 6. And one of the vertex at 1, 10. So dia bagi tiga coordinate. I think to get the equation of ellipse, we need to understand, okay, how to get the value of A, B, and C. For me, I will draw. Confirm, I will draw. Okay, all right, I will draw first. Okay, first center. Center is 1, 3. And then focus. The first focus you are given 1, 6. And one of the vertex you are given 1, 10. Okay, look at how I get the idea, how to get the equation of an ellipse. Okay, when I draw, x-axis dulu, y-axis and x-axis. Okay, where is the 1, 3? This one is 1, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 3 here. This is your center. 1, 3. And focus is 1, 6. 3, okay, maybe 6 here. This is your focus. Oh, we don't have enough space. I think better I redraw again. Okay. We have the same value of x here. Same value of x. 1, 1, 1. So, meanings here, x equal to 1 as your major axis. Nampak tak macam mana I faham? Okay. Wait, I draw. Okay, 5 here, 10 here. Okay, so 1, 3, maybe 3 here, and then 6 here. Okay. Ni 3. Okay, so 1, 3. Kalau 1 here, 1, 3, this is your center. 1, 3, your focus, 1, 6. This is your focus. This is your center. And 1, 10. Vertices, 1, 10. So if you draw the axis, this is your major axis. How I know this one is a major axis? Kerana saya tahu ini adalah major axis sebab fokus itu duduk dekat major axis. Major mesti lalu, major axis mesti pass through focus and center. Major mesti pass through center and focus. So I know this is your major axis. Okay. Major axis maksudnya X equal to 1 lah. This is your major. Nampak tak idea? Okay. So we know focus to center is the value of C. So how to calculate the value of C? So 6 minus 3, that is 3. Okay, so C squared equal to 9. And distance from uh, vertices to center. That's on the value of B. Kenapa B? B is the value of Y kan? B is under Y. So B equal to 10 minus 3. So you will get 7. So B squared equal to 7 squared is 49. Okay, so as usual, by using formula, C squared equal to, which one bigger, A or B? Confirm B, because major axis is parallel to Y. So the biggest value under Y. Biggest value under Y. So C squared equal to B squared minus A squared. Ini dia punya formula. Macam mana saya tahu B tolak A? Sebab B lebih besar pada A. Kenapa B besar pada A? Sebab B tu duduk bawah Y. Dia parallel dengan Y, major axis. Okay, so C is 9, B squared is 49 minus A squared, meaning A squared equal to 49 minus 9, A squared equal to 40. Okay, 40 actually if you do that again is equivalent to 2 square root 10. Because 4 times 10 is 40, right? Square root 4 is 2. Okay, 2 square root 10. So this is your A squared. Alright, so now center, okay, center 1, 3. This 1 is H, this 3 is the value of K. 3 is the value of K, 1 is the value of H. So HK is 1, 3. Okay, so we write the standard form. So X minus H squared over A squared plus Y minus K squared equal to B squared equal to 1. So just replace the value A, B and HK. So H is 1. So X minus 1 squared over A squared is 40. You can write 40, no problem. 40 also, or you can write 2 10 also can, no problem. Okay, Y minus K. K is 3, right? Squared over B squared. B squared is 49. Equal to 1. Done. This is your equation of ellipse. Okay, this one is your equation of your ellipse. Okay. Okay. Settle for the equation of an ellipse. Next, you have to sketch the graph. Okay, just complete your curve. Just complete your graph. Okay. Center is 3. This one B equal to 7. Okay, so just complete your curve. Okay, so the next focus here, second focus, right? Second focus, you will get 3 minus 3, so 1, 0, right? 1, 0. And then 3, you minus 7, you will get 1, negative 4. So here is a 1, negative 4. 1, negative 4. Okay, so this is your second vertices for major axis. Okay, where is your minor axis? 1, 3 kan? Okay, this is your minor axis. Okay, just plus A. The value of A is 2 square root 10. Okay, so ataupun A equal to plus minus square root 40. Okay, so if you calculate, I think you boleh dah tahulah dia punya value dia dekat mana. Okay, you just plus minus lah. So in this turn here, you just marking sajalah, tak berapa penting sangat benda tu. You carilah value dia berapa, just plus minus 1 plus square root 40. So ini adalah 1 plus square root 40, okay, 3. And this one is a 1 minus square root 40, 3. Okay, this value. Okay, now we just draw. Okay. Okay, done. This is your ellipse. Okay, that's your graph. Okay, so complete. X axis, Y axis. Okay, all we label by the center, focus, and vertices. Okay, done. Okay, any question before I proceed the next example? All right, no question. So I proceed the next example. Okay, next example actually I give you two example A and B. Okay, A and B show that each of the following equation represent an ellipse. Sketch the graph. Okay, actually if you refer the value, the function here A and B here, actually this one is a general form. General form. General form, you need to write in standard form first, and you sketch the graph. Okay, so I will do one by one. Okay, refer A first. Okay, I need space here. Okay, look at A first. A 2x squared plus xx plus 3y squared minus 6y minus 1 equal to 0. This one actually general form, general form, bentuk umum saja. So you need to write in standard form. We need to write in standard form. How to write in standard form? Okay, of course. This one we need to use completing the square method. Kita kena gunakan completing the square method. Okay, so now what we need to do, okay, one of the idea, just collect x, y, y, and the rest move to the right. The value you can shift to the right, no problem. Okay, kalau tak buat kemudian pun okay, boleh juga. Okay, so kalau saya, I'm prefer the value I letakkan ke sebelah kanan. Okay, x and x, y and y. And first step, make sure if we have value here, okay, we need to factorize. So we factorize first 2x squared plus 4x. Okay, just factorize 2. Okay, plus, okay, and then, okay, I think I want to do, I want to skip the step. Okay, I prepare space kit, okay, plus, and then you factorize 3, you will get y squared minus 3 times 2, right? 2y, okay, bagi space kit, and then equal to 1. Okay, first step, is it okay? First step, this one complete the square, just refresh balik, refresh from your SPM from last semester. I teach you how to do the company the square method. Okay, first step, we factorize, make it 1 for x squared and y squared. Okay, next step, we just add up plus, okay, factor here, and then you minus factor here. Okay, same thing lah, plus, minus, okay, what the value we need to put inside the bracket? Half time, half time 4, that is 2. 2 here, 2 here. This one is a negative 2 time half. So negative 1, negative 1. Boleh ingat ke? Okay, cara just multiply by half. Okay, next step 2. Okay, this part we complete the square. So we get x plus 2. This one is plus, right? X plus 2 square. Okay, and this one will become negative 4. Okay, plus 3. This one, to complete the square, y minus 1 square. If you're not confident, you can expand back. Then you expand, you will get the same thing. Okay, this one you become negative 1 square, 1. Negative 1 only. Negative 1 equal to 1. Okay, done for the first step. Next step, darab balik lah. Darab balik. Okay, you darab balik. So you will get 2x plus 2 squared minus 8 plus 3 y minus 1 squared minus 3 equal to 1. Okay, so now this value just bring to the right. Okay, so next step you will get 2x plus 2 squared plus 3 y minus 1 squared equal to negative 8 minus 3 is negative 12. No, sorry, negative 11. Negative 11 with the right plus 1, you will get 12. You will get 12. You akan dapat 12. Okay, now to make it standard equation, you have to multiply by 1 over 12. Ataupun divide by 12. Ataupun divide by 12. So 2 divided by 12, you will get x plus 2 squared over 6. Plus y minus 1 squared divided by 12, you will get 3 over 12 is 1 over 4, right? 1 over 4. This one is 1. So, shown. This is your ellipse. Sometimes your question asks you show. The following equation is an ellipse. So, just show. Just convert general equation to standard form. This one is standard form. Okay. So, this is your equation. Standard form of an ellipse. Okay, from here, you can get center. What the center? Negative 2. Read from here, from x. Negative 2. Okay. And then k, 1. The value of a is 6. A is under x. B under y. Okay. So a squared equal to plus minus square root 6. B squared equal to plus minus 2. How about c squared? C squared, which one bigger? A. A squared minus b squared. So a is 6 minus 4. So you will get 2. So c squared, no. This one, okay. C equal to plus minus square root 2. Okay, a squared equal to 6, a equal to plus minus square root 6. Okay, b squared equal to 4, b equal to plus minus 2. C squared equal to 2, so c equal to plus minus square root 2. Okay, done. Okay, which one your major exists? Major is the largest value. Largest value is 6. 6 is under x. So major exists parallel to x. Major is the line, okay, parallel to x. How I know? I refer the largest value. Largest value here is 6. 6 is under x. So major exists parallel to x. That is, major exists. Okay. Okay. I think to understand, just draw. Okay. Just draw. Okay. So if you draw, okay, x equal to negative 2, y equal to 1. Okay. Major exists parallel to x. So mana major, mana minor? So this one is minor. Minor exists lah. Okay. This one is the major. Major exists. Kenapa y pula major? Saya cakap tadi lah. The largest value 6. 6 tu bawah siapa? Bawah x. Bila bawah x, maksudnya major exist selari dengan paksi y. Yang ni lah. Inilah selari dengan paksi y. Vertical. Apa persamaan major exist? Kerana dia request buat the equation of major exist. Y equal to 1. Okay. Faham yang itu dulu? Okay. So this is your center, that is negative 2, 1. Okay. So kalau kita buat ini adalah dia punya major, ini adalah minor lah. Minor kita pendek sikit. Okay, we'll make it short. Okay, minor senang. Kita just value X. Minor you refer to value X. Value X itu you plus minus dengan value B lah. Jika jarak ini adalah B. Jarak sini center ke sini adalah A. You faham macam tu. Okay. So value, okay, nilai Y you tambah dengan B. Plus 2 dengan minus 2. So center confirm vertical here, negative 2, 1 plus 2 is 3. Here vertices juga, negative 2, 1 minus 2. So negative 1. Okay, the value of it is plus minus 6. So vertices, major vertices here, okay, negative 2 plus square root 6. Y is 1. Major vertices here, negative 2 minus square root 6, 1. Okay. This one no need to calculate to the decimal point. Tak perlulah. Kita nak tepat ni. Okay. So and then focus ataupun foci. Where is your foci? Foci of course on your major axis. So this is your focus. Okay, first and second focus. Which one first, which one second? No problem. Okay, kalau you tertukar pun no problem. Okay, distance center to focus is C. C is a plus minus. C is plus minus 2. So here mean the value change is X. Kan? So negative 2 plus square root 2, 1. This one is a negative 2 minus square root 2, 1. Nampak Yang berubah apa ni? X. Sebab dia pasti X kan? Faham macam tu. Okay. So this is your first and second foci. And then you draw. Okay. The last step, you just draw the ellipse. Okay. Make sure bentuk ellipse. Oh, tak cantik. Okay. Make sure bentuk ellipse lah. Jangan bentuk circle. Okay. Because shape tu akan dapat markah. Okay. Now we just draw x-axis and y-axis lah. Okay. Just roughly lah. Negative 2, 0 bagi dekat tengah ni. Okay. This is your x-axis. And y-axis, this one is negative 2, maybe on your right. Okay, maybe here. Okay, this is your y-axis. Okay, done. Okay, that's your answer. Okay, any question before I discuss the last example? Okay, no question. Okay, I proceed the last example. Last example is 3x squared minus 6x plus y squared plus 2y equal to 5. Okay, as usual, we need to do completing the square method. So we factorize 3x squared minus 2x. Okay, ada space sikit lah. Plus, this one no need to factorize. Okay, y plus 2y. Ada space sikit equal to 5. Okay, so next kita perlu add up. Okay, minus plus. Nampak yang saya buat? Minus. Okay, what the value we need to put inside the bracket? Half time negative 2. So negative 1 here. Negative 1 here. Half time 2 is 1 here. 1. Okay, now to complete the square, this part, just take it the value of under square, x minus 1 square. Okay, and this one is minus 1. Plus, this one will become y plus 1. This one will become negative 1. Boleh ke? Simple je kan? Okay, then you darab masuk. You will get 3 x minus 1 squared minus 3 y plus 1 squared minus 1 equal to 5. Okay, rewrite again. Okay, just bring the value to the right. Okay, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. Okay, equal to 9. Okay, next step, make it this one equal to 1. So you have to divide by 9. Okay, so this one will become 1 minus 1 squared divided by 3 over 9 is 1 over 3. Correct. Okay, plus y plus 1 squared divided by 9 is 9. 9 divided by 9 is 1. Okay, so center we know 1, negative 1. How I read? Value x is x minus 1 minus equal to 0, x equal to 1. Y plus 1 equal to 0, y equal to negative 1. Okay, and this one is the value of a squared, this one is the value of b squared. Okay, so a squared equal to 3, b squared equal to 9. So a equal to plus minus square root 3 and b equal to plus minus square root 9, that is 3. Okay, which one bigger, A or B? So now is B more than A. If B more than A, B is under Y, right? Below Y kan? B is under Y, so means the major axis parallel to Y. Okay, this is your major axis. This is your minor axis. Okay, center 1, negative 1. So this one is x equal to 1. This one equal to y equal to negative 1. So major axis x equal to 1. How I know major? Refer the value here. This is biggest value. Biggest value compared to A. So this biggest is under y. So parallel to y. Selari dengan y. Major dia. Okay. So kita lihat ini dia punya vertices. First dengan second vertices. Okey, vertices ni jarak ni apa? Jarak ni apa? Jarak ni mesti B. Jarak ini mesti A. Okey, jarak A dengan B. So just what value you need to change? Value Y lah. So this one is 1. Okay, negative 1 plus B. B is plus 3. So negative 3 plus 3 is 2. 2 here. This one, 1. 1, negative 1 minus 3. So negative 4. Boleh Okay, kalau tak faham, you kira lah. Okay, yang berubah adalah nilai Y. So Y adalah negative 1 kan? Plus kan minus dengan nilai B. 3. Kan? So dapat benda yang sama lah. So the first vertices is first vertices 1 negative 4. Second vertices 1 2. Okay. Settle Okay, how about for foci? C squared equal to B squared minus A squared. Kenapa B squared? Bukan A squared minus B. But B is bigger than A. Okay, B squared is 9, A is 3. So you will get here 6. So C equal to plus minus square root 6 lah. Okay, C equal to square root 6. Okay, so your focus is here. Okay, so the value of focus actually negative, 1. And then this one is negative 1 plus square root 6. Okay, first focus. Second focus, 1, negative 1 minus square root 6. Okay, and then minor axis, vertices for minus. Okay, this one is 1 minus A is square root 3, right? Minus square root 3, negative 1. Here also 1 plus square root 3, negative 1. Dah done. Then we have to draw. Okay, this is your ellipse. Done. So where's your x-axis and y-axis? I think 81 plus square root 6 actually more positive kan? So I think this is your x-axis. Y is x here is 1. 1 minus negative 3 also negative. So this is your y-axis. Okay, this is your y-axis. Okay, then the graph of ellipse. So here the important you have to know how to do completing the square method to get the standard equation. The next step, you have to know which one measure exists. How to check? Check the biggest value. Here, biggest value is under y. So, measure exists parallel to y. Measure exists parallel to y. Okay, next, how to get the center. Center you get from here. X minus 1 and y plus 1 just equal to 0. Okay, and then how to calculate the value of c. Okay, the biggest one minus smallest value. Okay, so you get c equal to minus 6. And then how to draw. Okay, how to draw and then how to calculate the major vertices. That's an important thing you have to know.